Are you looking for the perfect miter saw for your next project? We have tested 5 of the market's best miter saws subject to our comprehensive side-by-side testing. With so many products to choose from, finding which model is right for you is confusing and challenging. Our expert testers evaluated the features, tested the dust collection systems, maxed out each saw's cut capacity, sliced through metal, and measured the saw's angle to objectively score each model across a strategic set of metrics and identify which rose to the top. There are many products available to choose the 5 best miter saws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the 5 best miter saws, from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 12-inch Double-Bevel Sliding Compound DWS 780. The DeWalt 12-inch Double-Bevel Sliding Compound DWS 780 is a reliable miter saw offering solid cutting capabilities and a good range of features for precise work. Its design is straightforward, making it suitable for a variety of miter cutting tasks, and it's well suited for both professional use and dedicated DIYers. The saw is user-friendly, with a simple calibration process, easy adjustments, and a blade change system that doesn't require too much effort. The shadow cut line is a practical addition that aids in setting up cuts with greater accuracy. The main disadvantage of the DeWalt DWS 780 is its heavy weight and large footprint. The saw weighs over 60 pounds and measures over 32 inches with table extensions, requiring ample storage space and making it challenging to move frequently. The dust curtains are also sensitive to high-powered vacuums as the excess suction can close them. That said, the Bosch scored highest in cut capacity and second highest in dust collection. If those two metrics are the most important to you, the Bosch may be the way to go. However, the DeWalt emerged as our clear favorite in testing and the one we recommend to most people. Number 2. SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound MS 630500. The SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound MS 630500 is a reasonably priced tool with impressive cutting capabilities. Capable of executing cross-cuts through a 2x12 lumber and a 45-degree miter cut on a 2x8. This saw meets and exceeds the needs of most home DIY projects. It's user-friendly and offers a straightforward experience with features such as easy miter angle adjustments and a detent override. The LED shadow cut line should enhance accuracy and overall craftsmanship. The SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound MS 630500 ultimately stands out for its power and expansive cut capacity, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious DIYers and professionals who can deal with its dust collection limitations. The drawback is this saw struggles to collect dust effectively with a bag or a vacuum. Dust went flying in all directions during testing, creating a significant mess in the workspace. Also, adjustments with the 2-screw blade depth lock system might prove inefficient and difficult to switch back and forth between cut types. Shortcomings aside, the SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound MS 630500 has plenty to offer for the price. Number 3. DeWalt 20 volts Max 7-1/4 inch Single Bevel Sliding Compound DCS 361B. The DeWalt 20 volts Max 7-1/4 inch Single Bevel Sliding Compound DCS 361B is a compact, battery-powered saw that sets itself apart with its user-friendly design, power, and efficient dust collection system. Its portable nature makes it an excellent choice for trim work on the go or use in smaller shop spaces where storage is a premium. With features like easy calibration, miter angle adjustments, a shadow cut indicator for precision, and safety-centric blade changes, it's a standout in functionality. Unfortunately, the saw lacks a blade depth lock, complicating tasks like cutting dado joints. The cut capacity is also below average compared to other models tested, and while it can handle most home projects, it struggles with materials larger than a 2x8. If your projects call for more robust cutting power and capacity, the DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound DWS 780 is worth consideration. Number 4. DeWalt 12-inch single-bevel compound DWS 715. The DeWalt 12-inch single-bevel compound miter saw DWS 715 emerges as a sturdy and efficient choice for those requiring precision and potency in their cutting tasks. Its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism are highlights we discovered in our tests, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The saw's compact design is a bonus, particularly beneficial for space-conscious workshops or job sites. Thanks to its effective dust collection system and build quality, this saw is tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. Despite these praises, the DWS 715 has its limitations. Most notably, it has a modest cut capacity due to the absence of a sliding rail. Some users might also find the lack of a cut line indicator a drawback, as it may complicate the alignment of cuts. The saw does not feature any positive bevel stops, which can reduce the accuracy of beveled cuts. If you find these constraints deal breakers, the DeWalt DWS 780 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound offers enhanced cut capacity and similar precision. Number 5. DeWalt Miter Saw, 12-inch, 15-amp DWS 716 XPS. If you're looking for a reliable and durable miter saw, the DeWalt Miter Saw is a great option to consider. With its powerful motor and precise cutting features, this saw is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This DeWalt Miter Saw is a great investment for anyone in need of a high-quality and precise saw. The stainless steel miter detent plate and tall sliding fences provide accurate and durable cuts, while the double-bevel design allows for versatility in cutting angles. However, the LED work light system is not always effective and the saw may be too heavy for some users. In terms of performance, this saw is top-notch. The 15-amp motor delivers extended power and durability, allowing for smooth and efficient cutting. The integrated cut line feature provides adjustment-free cut line indication for accuracy and visibility, making it easy to achieve precise cuts every time. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and high-quality miter saw, the DeWalt Miter Saw is definitely worth considering. Its precision and durability make it a great investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.